Hey, Robert Kiefer here with Hydro Hero, and we are doing another customer testimonial for a crawl space that we just finished in Ocean View, Delaware. Stay tuned. Okay, so here we are with Jeff and Robert, and we just finished their crawl space encapsulation in Ocean View, Delaware. And can you guys tell us a little bit about your experience first? Did we bid against a couple other companies? Not to mention any names.
We did get estimates from 3 different companies. Hydro Heroes were by far the most professional. It wasn't all about price, it was about things we needed done, and some of them were outside the scope of work that they were willing to do too. And they stuck to our agreement. We didn't have any cost overruns, and we had a lot of strange additional things. We had an extra large well in front of the entrance to the crawl space, and they had a large door fashioned to go on to it. We had a kind of wobbly island in the house, so they were kind enough to put some supports under that while they were down there. And every issue we had, it was really easy to make phone calls, get answers. It was professional, it was friendly. We couldn't be happier.
If I may add my 2 cents, I think what impressed us the most was the professionalism and the responsiveness of Scott, the sales manager.
Absolutely.
He answered all of our questions. We anticipated a few days or several days to get his quote. It was almost immediate. The next morning, the man does his homework. So he not only addressed our needs in general, but we, as Jeff mentioned, we had specific needs, and he addressed them very, very promptly. So we were quite shocked by his responsiveness.
And he made himself available for all of our questions, which was unusual to say the least, right. But we really appreciate it.
The name of the game is customer satisfaction, and we think Hydro Pro was superlative in that regard.
Great. So a lot of times companies really try to give you like a take all or leave it. I believe we gave you guys some packages too. Did any of the other companies give you like different options, like, you know, that you can kind of step through, work through? Maybe this isn't in budget, maybe this is, and so on and so forth. Did any of the other competitors give those type of package and options?
They did give some options, but by far and large, Hydro Pro, and I think Jeff will attest to this because he was the lead on getting the quotes. They tailored their write-ups. They addressed our needs specifically. That's what impressed us the most.
Well, of the 3 estimates we got, Hydro Hero was the only one that gave us an option for 3 different packages with an estimate for each package. And we ended up picking one of those packages, but then we tweaked the package a little more before we finally had a contract. And we're very happy with the way it turned out. We didn't get that kind of attention from the other 2 estimates we received.
Yeah, so fantastic. We did get estimates, but they were not tailored to our specific needs as Hydro Heroes was.
Right.
Fantastic. And you guys saw the pictures. I think I still have to show you the video that I actually took a little bit ago, and you'll see that on YouTube and Facebook as well. But Jeff, did you go down there the other day when the guys were wrapping up? Did you peek your head in there?
When they were finished, Jeff took me down and toured me around, showed me what they did, where the dehumidifier was, where the lines ran out.
And did it look as amazing as you see in some of these videos?
It looked clean enough to eat off the floor. I was really surprised how wonderful
Jeff,
it looked.
I think in the various packages that we got, you mentioned that the vapor barrier that they were using, there's a huge difference. Of the 3 estimates, this one, the vapor barrier that Hydro Pro uses is 32 mils. Or Hydro Hero, I'm sorry. The other 2, we were looking at what? 9, 10, 12 mils?
Wow.
I mean, it was a very dramatic difference in the materials used, too.
Yep.
So I think that's an important factor.
Yes.
That when you're talking about moisture and you're talking about prevention of mold, you're talking about potential water damage, you want something that's going to provide the best possible barrier. And it seems that what you offered was the best.
Hydro Hero exceeded our expectations by far.
Absolutely.
Well, we really, really thank you guys for allowing us to bid on yours and to actually do the work. Would you guys recommend us to all your friends and neighbors?
Absolutely.
No, I'd highly recommend Hydro Hero over all the rest.
Especially here in southern Delaware, where we are. I mean, this has become, mold is insidious. It's so, by far and large.
Now we don't have to worry about mold.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for your time. I greatly appreciate it. And everybody else out there, if you're watching this video, please like and share our content. If you like to see more videos of a certain type, please let us know what kind in the comments below. And if you're watching this on YouTube, as always, please subscribe to our channel.
It's well worth watching. I watched every one of those YouTubes. It was very informative.
Good testimonials.
Absolutely.
They help.
Well, but also informative about what you do.
Absolutely.
All right. Thanks, everybody, and have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Thank you.